Shit that happens to your body after birth. Sexy time. Before 6 weeks postpartum, we don't want anything going up in there, okay? No tampons, no cups, no fingers, no other things, appendages. If you had a vaginal delivery, you may have tearing, so we don't want to irritate that. If you have a C-section, you also have an incision on your uterus, so you have this open incision internally that we don't want to get infected. But also, no matter how you give birth, your placenta came off of your uterus, and so now you have this big kind of open scab wound inside your uterus. And again, we don't want bacteria getting up in that vagina, getting up into your uterus and giving you an infection. That's why we like to wait 6 weeks to make sure everything is nice and healed. Then we can have some sexy time. And if you don't feel ready to have sex at 6 weeks, that's okay, because many people don't feel ready at 6 weeks. And if you feel ready before 6 weeks, good for you. I'm so happy for you. That whole spectrum of sexual desire is totally normal. Of course, consent is needed to have sex, but the first time you have sex, I suggest using a ton of lube, okay? Because things can be a little bit different. They might have some scar tissue down there. And also, if you are breastfeeding, the hormones from breastfeeding can dry you up down there. So just use extra lube so nothing gets kind of too much friction at all. Go slow and find a comfortable position. Your Old Faithful position might not be it if you have some kind of like scar tissue down there. And the other thing is too, painful sex is not normal. So if you are having painful sex after you have a baby, do not just live with that. Please go talk to your doctor or go to a pelvic floor physical therapist, because we are not going to live with painful sex the rest of our life, okay? Get that checked out. You leak milk out when you have sex, okay? When you're having sex, oxytocin rises, and oxytocin is the hormone that also releases milk out your nipples. So you might get a little shower.